Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abi. I will show you how to install Arrow tools.
Here I introduce arrowhead.
Arrow, postan, pisir, lungar, stabilizer, handle, limbs, mastering, impostering.
First, we take the handle, open the screw, then attach the limbs to the handle. After that, tighten the screw. After that, put the string and bowstring in the limb and pull the bowstring so that they become like that. Then bow stand and pair up. And get a stabilizer on the bow, right and left up that. Then take the plunger and attach the plunger to the bolt. Then fissure it to its place and fasten